This is the, I got all the stuff I've been waiting for from Ben's Force. This is a little quick update. No real reason for it. I'm going to get the Toyota down here today. It's just pouring rain, like, depressing. I didn't quit my job for this. But yeah, we're going to get it cleaned up out here. I'm going to wrap up that 4L80. There's a whole video on the fact that I've changed directions in my career path that'll you guys will see tomorrow. This is just a quick little update. This is a HE221W for my Mercedes OM617. I had to pull a couple pins in here so I could clock it around, and I got this Evolution chop saw. I got all kinds of crap to, like, this thing's been in a box for a month right here. See how I've been piling shit right in front of the door because I just open it and throw it in here? So yeah, glad that's over. I had to trim this tree up. It's laying on top of my truck. I'm enjoying my time off. It's kind of a bummer that it's so warm. It's like 68, 72. I don't know. It's like perfect temperature, but freezing rain. So you guys look for that video tomorrow, and keep your eyes open. We'll see you next time.